This is one of the nicest homes located in the Fairways. An active 55 or older community with many amenities to keep you occupied. This 2-bed and 2-bath home is a great floor plan. There is a large living room, dining room, with an addl breakfast nook, 9'3 by 8 feet 11 inches, which overlooks the family room. The master bed is a nice size and has a large walk-in closet. The seller has updated the major mechanicals including a new roof which was installed in 2024, HWH 2025, HVAC 2023, and most of the windows have recently been replaced including the sliding glass door. Your outside features include a deck to sit outside and watch the golfers or the wildlife. Close to shopping, dining and the beach. This is subject to the seller finding suitable housing, but we are actively looking. Easy to show, don't miss out on this home that is in great condition. The new